Assalamu alaikum, good evening gentlemen and ladies. Today we have got a famous and well-known celebrity. I am interviewer, she is interviewer. This is Miss Asiya Khan. I am Muhammad Hassan, a host. Today we have got a special task and I am here to talk about on environment of Karachi. So today I have to ask some questions from her. Here we go towards our interview. Okay. How are you, Asiya?
I am fine.
Okay. My first question, what am I going to throw towards you? That is, why is life of Karachi city very unbelievably complicated?
Because in this our society, circumstances is not good, and injustice and lawlessness and cruelty is too common in our society. So I think that's a thing of the incredibly hard of our society, because there are lots of organization, different organization is there, and which they want to do, so they do.
Injustice. If you talk about injustice, so how can we bring justice? We have forgotten, we have killed justice from our society. How can we bring justice back?
Okay. I think when we have a brotherhood and peace and harmony.
Okay.
So we have got justice in this. If we respect the laws and if we respect the humans, because human beings is a big thing in this city. So I think when we are start respecting to others, so I think justice is common in our society.
That's a really good answer from you. Okay. So second question I'm going to throw towards you, that is, how is earning lots of money in Karachi incredibly hard? Business is finished from Karachi, nobody is earning. So can you answer?
No, I'm not agree with you, because if a person who has a focus, their task, and they well behave and they're well organized, and they are hard working. So it is so a person who has a hard worker, so they won't achieve their aims, and whatever they want,
What do you think about those people who waste their time? People are wasting their time. They have given up from their business. They are not earning anything. Even they have closed their shops. They have closed their business.
Because they
what
are
to say about them?
Because they are the time waster, and in this city, frustration is very common. If person are under frustration, so how can they follow in their aims? And if you want to do something, so people are try to spoil you. So how can you wish to a person who spoil you? So how can you get achievements?
People, they do not give moral supports. What do you think about those? Why don't people of Karachi have moral supports for others? They never give moral supports. They never give ideas to others.
Yeah, they're the person are the well-centered.
Good, saying right.
Well-centered, and they are everyone busy in their life. No one can helping others, and no one can solve others' problems. Just everyone self-centered in their life.
Why are they well-centered? Why are they self-centered? Have they become selfish and greedy?
No, they are not selfish and greedy, because we live in Karachi, and we were born here. So you see, and we all are see which situation is going on in this city. So I think in this era, if someone can help others.
Okay, that's good. Fourth question is that, when will we happily sit back and see no killing in Karachi city?
I think when we have a brotherhood and peace and harmony, well behaved, and well mannered. So is there persons are not
good? No. Killing is going on. Pupils are being killed by others. So how can we stop them?
How can we stop them? If we are the respect of laws, if we are respecting the humans, and if we have a brotherhood, and if laws with us, so I think we have stopped them.
What do you think about those people who do their things very properly?
Because they know value of the time.
Good.
and they focus their achievement and they remember just one thing. I want to do this, and whatever I want, I will achieve.
Do they forget and neglect every problem?
Yeah, why not? Because if they are the, you know, if will of the tolerance they have, and they have a well.
Yes, that's the right thing, that we have forgotten will of tolerance.
Will of tolerance and you know, well mannered.
Okay. What
and well
bothers,
organized they are.
Can I ask one personal question
to
you? Okay. What bothers you a lot in this atmosphere of Karachi?
In this atmosphere of Karachi, killings and.
Why do you think like that?
Why do you think like that? Because I'm thinking like that because I am here and I live in Karachi and I see the Karachi situation. That's why I'm saying that.
Okay, how can we stop that?
How can we stop that? I have told you, if we are follow the laws and we respect the laws and we are respect the humans.
Okay, so last question I am going to throw, that we have forgotten our love and we have forgotten respect others. We do not respect others, we have forgotten our culture. So, but the problem is that Americans and foreign peoples, they are very, they follow rules and regulation. So, question is that why American and British countries so lucky in living standard? They have got rules and regulation. Yeah, they have a rule and regulation, and they, you know, time is the most important thing, and they know about the value of the time, and they have a respect humans, and they respect the laws. So I think no one can stop them to living standard. Thank you, Asiya, for giving your suggestion. That was Muhammad Hassan from TSE Media Production. I hope we will meet again. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.